Imagine the ease of having conversations in English without stopping to translate in your head. Imagine expressing your thoughts clearly and confidently, whether you are talking to a friend, giving a presentation, or traveling abroad. Welcome to Day 3 of our English Speaking Challenge. This is not just a lesson. It is a step toward transforming your communication skills. Through shadowing, you are going to unlock fluency and sound more natural. Let us dive in and explore. Welcome back. I am truly glad you are here. Making it to Day 3 means you are serious about becoming a better English speaker. That kind of consistency is powerful. It says a lot about your commitment and your future. If you happened to miss the previous day, do not worry. You can pause this video and go back to catch up. Each day of this challenge is like a building block. They work together to strengthen your skills and grow your confidence. By showing up today, you are already making progress. The hardest part is starting, and you have done that. Now it is all about continuing with that same energy and belief in yourself. No matter what your goal is, whether it is passing an exam, improving at work, or just speaking with ease, you are in the right place. Let us keep going. Let us grow together. And let us get ready for some real practice that will move your English to the next level. Understanding shadowing. Let us talk about shadowing. At first glance, it might seem like you are just repeating what someone says, but shadowing is so much more than that. It is a full body, full mind experience. When you shadow, you are not just copying words. You are syncing your ears, your voice, and your thoughts to move together in English. Think of it as a kind of language training that goes beyond vocabulary and grammar. By closely mimicking the pronunciation, rhythm, and tone of a native speaker, you are actually building muscle memory in your mouth. You are teaching your brain how English sounds and how it flows. Over time, this builds automaticity, which means you respond in English without having to stop and translate every word. That is the magic of shadowing. It creates a natural connection between what you hear and what you say. It teaches your brain to recognize patterns in the language, and your tongue to move in the right way. It is one of the fastest paths to fluency. Not because it is a shortcut, but because it makes your practice more effective. Imagine training like an athlete. Just like a runner repeats drills to strengthen muscles and improve form, a language learner uses shadowing to strengthen speech and improve fluency. It is repetition with purpose, and that purpose is clear communication. The importance of intonation. Now let us focus on a detail that many learners overlook, yet it makes a huge difference in how you sound. That is intonation. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice when you speak. It is the melody of a sentence, the part that brings emotion and meaning beyond the words. For example, when you ask a question in English, your voice usually rises at the end. Try saying, "Are you coming today?" with a rising tone at the end. That makes it sound like a question. Now try saying the same sentence with a flat or falling tone. It changes the feeling completely. It might sound like you are confused or unsure. Intonation helps your speech sound more natural and more expressive. Without it, even perfect grammar can sound robotic or unclear. But with good intonation, even simple sentences can come alive. When you shadow, you are not just repeating sounds. You are practicing the emotional rhythm of the language. You are learning when to stress a word, when to pause, and how to use your voice to show confidence, curiosity, or kindness. These are the little things that make a big difference when you are speaking with someone. As we continue, pay close attention to intonation. Listen not only to the words, but to the way they rise and fall. Then try to match that pattern with your own voice. That is how you begin to sound like a fluent speaker, not just in words, but in tone and presence. Now it is time for the most exciting part of today's challenge. This is where you actively train your mouth and ears together. We are going to practice several empowering sentences. These are not just phrases. They are affirmations that help you build not only your fluency, but also your mindset. Listen to each sentence closely. Hear the rhythm, the tone, and the pauses. Then repeat after me. Let your voice follow mine. Speak with confidence. Even if it feels strange at first, you are not just learning words. You are shaping your future as a confident English speaker. Let us begin with a sentence that reminds you of your own strength. I believe in myself and my ability to learn English. Feel how that sentence carries energy. Say it again. A little louder this time. Feel the power of your own voice. Next up, a reminder that mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning. Every mistake I make is a step toward improvement. Say it again with conviction. Learning happens when you try and try again. This next sentence is about consistency, just like you are doing right now. Consistency is the key to my language success. Let those words sink in. Repetition and routine. Build fluency. Now let us face challenges with a new perspective. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Do not fear difficult moments. They are the stepping stones of success. Here comes a sentence that celebrates progress. My English skills improve with every practice session. Every moment you speak out loud, you are building fluency. Confidence is a skill too, and you are building it right now. I am confident in my ability to communicate. Feel that confidence grow with each word you say. Language is more than just grammar. It is a gateway to the world. Learning English opens doors to new experiences. Imagine all the new places and people that English connects you to. Learning should also bring joy, not just discipline. I enjoy the process of learning and growing. Let this journey be filled with curiosity and pride. Progress comes from showing up, like you are doing today. My dedication brings me closer to fluency. Even 10 minutes of focused speaking brings you closer to your goals. Let us speak with purpose and clarity. I speak English with clarity and confidence. Notice how your tone is becoming more natural with each sentence. Your voice is adjusting to the patterns of English. Each day, my pronunciation becomes more natural. Even if it feels slow at times, you are making steady progress. Your understanding is growing stronger. I understand and use English effectively. You are not just repeating anymore. You are expressing. Celebrate your growth. No matter how small it feels, I am proud of my progress and achievements, because every day of effort is an achievement in itself. Your ears are learning too. My listening skills sharpen with each practice. Soon you will hear English in a whole new way. And remember this powerful truth. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Say it one more time with full belief in yourself. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Well done, truly well done. That was a powerful session. You practiced speaking, listening, and believing in your growth. This kind of work makes a real difference. Every repetition trains your brain and builds your confidence. Keep this momentum going. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is about consistent effort. Even just 10 focused minutes a day can bring lasting improvement. Be proud of what you did today. You took another step forward. And I am so happy to be part of your journey. Let us keep going together. If today's session helped you, please take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content for amazing learners like you. Keep speaking, keep growing, and I will see you in the next lesson.